This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1963 Impala here, stock number 247. We got it priced $25,900. I'm gonna do a little walk around, getting ready to take it to the cruise in. I'll try to pick out any flaws I can find. It's a beautiful car. I thought it was awesome to take out to the car show tonight. They just moved the car show to a new location. I'm hoping we still got a turnout of 300 or 400 cars. If not, it will by summer. Everybody's just got to find the spot. But this one right here runs and drives good. It's got a little small block 350 V8 in it. There's not a whole lot of flaws, but I'll find what I can. The bumpers on the front look new. There's a little bubble on the hood right here. This car is very clean. I don't know if that was a chip there or some dirt. That's dirt. Back bumper also looks new. There is two little spots right around the trunk lid here. One there, one there. That's in between the bumper here, so. It's got a chip right here in the trunk. If y'all can see that up against the back glass. Clear coat chipped a little bit there. It's a beautiful car, especially over here by the lake. Looks like a fairly new hood. Motor is small block 350. Power steering, drum brake car. Try to keep that hood up. This wind's blowing strong out here. Let you check the inside out. I got some stuff in the back seat for my filming tonight. Looks like that's come off a little bit. Somebody had some glue on it at one point. Headliner's pretty clean. Looks like they messed up right here on the back corners on both sides. Let's see if I can get that to pop up for you. Seats are in good condition. They're not all ripped up or anything. There's one little dirt spot there, but I bet that'll come off. I don't think that tach's reading right. If you have any other questions, I'll try to help you out. My name's Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444, and I'll try to help you out. I've also got this car at maplemotors.com, and I can get you 100 detailed pictures of this car if you email me, maplemotors@aol.com. I appreciate you watching. We're going to take this thing for a cruise tonight. Be looking for that video. Should be pretty fun. It'll be where my test drive is going to go. We'll start taking a car once a week to the cruise in. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.